Welcome to my new video. There are basically two kinds of people. The first kind who wants an ordinary life and lets things happen as it is. Unfortunately, this video is not for them. They can leave the video here only. This video is about the second kind who wants to do something extraordinary in their lives. Any type of academic qualification from a mediocre college can hardly give you a job in a corporate world and a stressful life starting from morning till night. So basically you need 5 prerequisite things, which are self-belief, determination, hard work, patience and an honest approach. You must start a small startup of your own rather than working as an employee. Okay, you may say, who am I to tell you what to do or not? So let us look into the story of two young boys, Sagar and Vinod from Kolkata, starting BCom in St. Xavier's College. Since childhood, Sagar had a dream to build a successful company. When other children used to put stickers of Ben 10 and Doraemon on the covers of the copies, he used to stick the stickers of various companies like Google and Microsoft. His friend Vinod was Nepali by birth and was a Momo lover. After completion of their graduation from St. Xavier's College, they were offered with a job of Rs 3 lakh per annum, which was quite great in accordance with 2008. But they rejected their job as they wanted to start a business of their own, though they didn't have any proper planning. They thought to start their own business by selling momos. They borrowed 30,000 rupees from their parents. They contacted the manager of Spencer's, which was in a place called Gashtola in Tollygunge. They were allowed to open a small stall in return of 18% of revenue share. They hired Ramji Casey with a salary of 3,000 per month. At that time, Sagar used to start his day at 5:30, buying vegetables and chicken from the market and give it to Ramji, who used the ground floor of their building as kitchen. Within 2 years, they successfully opened 6 stalls. In 2010, they invested 14 lakh of their savings and bought an independent stall in Salt Lake Sector 5. That 200 square feet kitchen gradually converted to 12,000 square feet, and that ground floor in Jadavpur turned into its headquarters. The business that started from 30,000 rupees, its net valuation in 2020 is $120 million, that is 860 crore rupees. This is none other than Wow Momo. This is just one example, and there are thousands of examples like this. Now, this is not the end. You may think of opening this type of startup someday. Then also you may have a wrong approach. So, let us look into another short story. Once, someone asked a farmer if he had planted wheat for the season. The farmer replied, "No, I was afraid it wouldn't rain." The man asked, "Did you plant corn?" The farmer said, "No, I was afraid that insects would eat the corn." Then the man asked, "What did you plant?" The farmer said, "Nothing, I played it safe." People who risk nothing, do nothing, have nothing and become nothing. A survey says 50% of people are in the first kind, who wants an ordinary life. And out of the rest 50% of people, 40% of them just think that they should take some risk someday. And 10% of people take the risk, but out of which 5% fails because of low self-confidence and hardships they face in the initial phase of their startup. So ultimately 5% of people succeed to achieve this. So now it's your choice to make your decision. I have already made another video on how to make decisions in life. You can click here and the link is also in the description. If you are new to my channel, Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more amusing videos.